Good morning, traders. Welcome back to another session of our Nifty pre-market analysis. Today is going to be an interesting trading day as the market sentiment looks flat to slightly positive. We'll go through the global market cues, the key support and resistance zones on Nifty, and what kind of moves we can expect after the opening bell. So make sure to stay till the end. This will set your roadmap for the day. Let's start with global market overview. Let's start with the global setup first, because it always sets the tone for our market. US markets closed flat yesterday, showing a pause after a recent up move. There's no major trigger from Wall Street, so global risk appetite remains neutral. Asian markets trading mildly positive, around 0.55%, which indicates a slightly optimistic tone in the region. This could support Nifty in the early hours. European markets are also flat, almost unchanged at 0.01%, suggesting that global investors are in a wait-and-watch mode. USD INR is flat near 0.04%, meaning no major pressure from the currency side. That's a good sign for the market stability. Crude oil also flat at 0.14%, indicating no inflationary worries for Indian markets. Overall, the global picture is calm but slightly tilted to the positive side. So Nifty might see a stable to slightly bullish opening. Coming to Nifty technical setup, now let's jump straight into the technical chart for Nifty. This is where the real trading insight comes in. The current Nifty level is around 25,965, slightly below the psychological mark of 26,000. The trend remains neutral to positive as long as Nifty holds above the major supports. Let's check the key zones for today. Resistance levels: R1, 26,031, R2, 26,089, R3, 26,147, R4, 26,205, R5, 26,263, R6, 26,321. If Nifty starts moving above 26,031, that's your first sign of strength. A breakout above 26,089 could trigger a quick intraday rally towards 26,150 to 26,200 zone. Support levels: S1:25, 836, S2, 25,778, S3, 25,678, S4, 25,578, S5, 25,520, S6, 25,462. As long as Nifty holds above 25,836, bulls remain in control. But if this level breaks, we could see a mild correction towards 25,780 to 25,700 zone. Coming to trading outlook, so how should traders prepare for today? With a flat to positive global setup and strong support near 25,836, the bias for today remains mildly bullish. Nifty could open flat, consolidate, and then gradually move higher if buying emerges around supports. Intraday traders can look for buying opportunities on dips near 25,850 to 25,880, keeping stop loss below 25,780. If Nifty sustains above 26,030, momentum traders can aim for targets of 26,090 and 26,150. Remember, today is not about aggressive moves, it's about patience and following levels. The market looks calm, so trade light and avoid chasing the price. Finally, summary and closing. To summarize today's setup, global markets are neutral to slightly positive. Nifty's range looks between 25,850 and 26,150. Bias is flat to positive with buying expected near supports. Watch out for breakouts above 26,030 or breakdowns below 25,780 for directional moves. So that's your complete pre-market roadmap for Nifty. Stay disciplined, stick to your levels, and let the market show its hand before taking trades. If you found this analysis useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily Nifty insights. I'll catch you in the post-market analysis where we'll see how the actual movement matched our morning outlook. Until then, trade safe and stay profitable.